If you've been searching for a golden ticket into a high-paying, flexible science career, bioinformatics is it. By 2026, this powerful field mixing biology, data, and tech will be one of the fastest-growing and highest-paying remote careers available. We are about to reveal the top 12 remote bioinformatics roles, the exact skills you need, and the massive salaries in both US dollars and Indian rupees. So, if you are serious about building a global science career, grab your notebook because this entire list could genuinely change your professional trajectory. The IB1 Bioinformatics Data Analyst. What they do, analyze large DNA, RNA, or protein datasets using Python, R, or SQL skills. Needed R, Python, Excel, Pandas, and data visualization tools like Plotly or Tableau. Salary, $65,000, $95,000, $95,000. 1 year, 4580 lakh year remote tip. Many universities and biotech startups hire data analysts remotely for sequencing projects. Fendi 2, Genomics Research Scientist, remote. What they do, interpret next-gen sequencing, NGS, and variant data for research or diagnostics. Skills needed, NGS pipeline tools, Galaxy, Georgia, TK, Bioconductor, and strong genetics background. Salary, $120,000, $120,000 Sanjir C58, 1 crore a year. Remote tip. Look for global research collaborations. Labs in Europe and the US outsource genome annotation tasks to remote scientists. 33, computational biologist. What they do, use computer models to simulate biological systems, proteins, cells, or genes. Skills needed, Python, R, CII, molecular modeling tools, and machine learning basics. Salary, $85,000, $130,000, suit a year. 70 lakh, 1.1 crore, remote tip. Many pharma companies like Pfizer, Roche, and Novartis offer hybrid or remote computational biology roles. 4 bioinformatics programmer, 30 software developer. What they do, build scripts and apps to automate biological data analysis. Skills needed, Python, R, Linux, Git, Docker, Cloud, AWS GCP. Salary, $30,000, $140,000 fund year. 66 lakh, 1.2 crore, remote tip. If you love coding, this is your best bet. Freelancing options also pay well. 5. Proteomics Data Scientist. What they do, analyze mass spectrometry data to identify proteins and biomarkers. Skills needed, Python, R MaxQuant, Perseus, statistics, and ML. Salary, $70,000, $115,000 for 1 year, wine 58.95 lakh. Remote tip, pharmaceutical and academic projects often outsource proteomics analysis. Check sites like LinkedIn or ResearchGate. 6. Agricultural bioinformatics specialist. What they do, work with crop genomes, soil microbiomes, and genetic breeding data. Skills needed, NGS analysis, plant genomics, R, GIS tools. Salary, $60,000, $100,000 suit a year. 5083 lakh, remote tip, Indian and global agri-biotech. Startups increasingly hire remote data specialists for genome mapping and sustainable farming projects. 7. AI-driven drug discovery analyst. What they do, combine artificial intelligence with bioinformatics to find new drug targets. Skills needed, Python, TensorFlow, TenTorch, Cheminformatics, statistics. Salary, $90,000, $150,000 1 year. 75 lakh, 1.25 crore, remote tip. Startups like In Silico Medicine, Atomwise, and Benevolent Eye offer fully remote roles. 8. Clinical bioinformatics specialist. What they do, work with hospitals and labs to interpret patient sequencing data. Skills needed, human genetics, variant annotation, and clinical databases, ClinVar, OMIM. Salary, $65,000, $110,000 swine year, 54.91 lakh. Remote tip, many diagnostic companies now allow remote case review and report writing from home. 9. Scientific writer, bioinformatics focus. What they do, turn research data into clear scientific papers, grant proposals, and white papers. Skills needed, science communication, referencing, data interpretation. Salary, $5, $45 7 hour, 2,750 hour, remote tip. Great for freelancers. Work with biotech journals, blogs, or research labs. 10. Metagenomics research analyst. What they do, analyze microbial community data from soil, gut, or ocean samples. Skills needed, Cheme, R, Python, microbiome analysis, and cloud computing. Salary $50,000 in ED, $5,000 in ED, $5,000 ERD 50/80 LAF. Remote tip. Growing demand due to climate and environmental microbiome studies worldwide. 11. Biotech data visualization expert. What they do, create dashboards and infographics for biotech datasets. Skills needed, Tableau, Power BI, R-Shiny, and storytelling. Salary, $50,000 80, $5,000 80, $5,000 one year. 204170 lakh. Remote tip. Ideal for designers with a life science background. Many freelance projects available globally. 12. Cloud Bioinformatics engineer. What they do, manage bioinformatics workflows on cloud platforms. Skills needed, AWS, GCP, Docker, Nextflow, Linux scripting. Salary, $100,000, $160,000 fund year swine. Year swine 83, lakh 1.3 crore. Remote tip. Every major research organization is moving to cloud. These jobs are booming. Since every major research organization is aggressively migrating to the cloud, these specialized engineering jobs are currently experiencing an enormous boom. To start your journey, first dedicate time to learning either Python or R using the many excellent free courses available online. Next, enroll in a specialized bioinformatics track, such as the highly regarded genomic data science specialization on Coursera. Crucially, begin building small but meaningful portfolio projects, like setting up a basic NGS pipeline or performing gene expression analysis. Once built, showcase these projects prominently on platforms like GitHub and LinkedIn to actively attract attention from global recruiters. Finally, gain essential real-world experience by applying for remote internships with established government bodies or private biotech laboratories. For those based in India, remote pay typically ranges from 5 to 10 LPA entry level, scaling up to 50 LPA for senior roles. In contrast, US and European remote salaries start near $60,000 and can easily exceed $130,000 for senior staff. Freelancers command high hourly rates, often sitting comfortably between $25 and $75 per HR, regardless of location. Bioinformatics is quickly evolving from a niche subject into the absolute core of every modern biotech, pharma, and healthcare enterprise. If you diligently build these strong coding, analysis, and interpretation skills starting today, by 2026, you could be successfully earning from literally anywhere in the world. Please comment below right now to tell me which of these 12 jobs excites you the most, as I will dedicate the next video to a full breakdown of that specific role. Remember to hit that like button, share this vital information with all your batchmates, and subscribe for weekly life science career guidance. Always stay curious, stay continuously skilled, and I look forward to seeing you in the very next video.